action.
Right, hello everyone. Today I'm going to use this Nilfisk Multi Brush kit to wash the car. As you can see, there is the main car brush with the soap compartment on the top, and then there are other brushes. This brush here is for the tire rims, and this is for the hard surface. There's an attachment in there. I have already filled in the car wash soap shampoo in there. Now we will be using Nilfisk 150.2, which I have already connected the power and water to it. I am now going to connect the car wash to the Nilfisk. We just connected that there firmly. I must say that it looks quite good. The whole thing is very solid. It's quite a solid build and very nice finish, and I'm hoping that it's gonna work just like that. So I'm just gonna bring it down here and just gonna connect it. Quite pain-free, to be honest. As you can say, just like click and put it in there and click it. Now, as you can see, the car is quite dirty with lots of mud around, and it hasn't been cleaned for a few weeks. As you can see down here as well, and there's got a bit of mud on it. So I am now going to just start from that end. As you can see here, it's perfectly clean, shining, crystal clear, to be honest, and compared to what it was before, almost pain-free job, and it's just been clean. So thank you, Nilfisk.